Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So on this video we are gonna look how we can pay to any clubs and associations through your Bharatpe app. For that, just open the Bharatpe app. So after opening the app, in the home page we just need to scroll down, and when we scroll down in the payment section we can just see the more option right there. Just tap on the more option right there, and when we reach here we just need to scroll down for a bit, and in the other section we can just see the clubs and association section right there. Just tap on the clubs and association section. So after that, in here we can choose which provider that you need to do the payment. So here we just need to enter your membership number. After that, tap on the continue option and do the payment. So this is how you're gonna do the payment of your clubs and association through your Bharatpe app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.